Welcome to week one of session four. This is being recorded on Friday. As you know, I'm not in the room today. I'm getting over the crud. So I blame third period. It's all their fault. Anyway, here we go. So yesterday and today, I wasn't in class. Hopefully, you read the email I sent you yesterday. Hopefully, you're reading the email I've sent you today. Also, you should know to check Schoology for any assignments that are coming up. So I want you to work on this today, and I'm going to go over that. I'm also going to review the fact that the semester one final, I asked you to do that yesterday. A number of people could not use LinkedIn. So if you're 16 or over, I want you to use LinkedIn to build your profile and to put a recommendation in there. That's what the advisory committee has recommended. Because it's blocked right now for a lot of people, just do the blog post equivalency. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, read the assignment. Okay, I put that in the email to you yesterday. So what I'm saying is that follow these steps for everybody. If you've done it in LinkedIn already and it's in my account and I can see it, no problem. If not, just use your blog post. Remember, you don't get credit if there's any typos, and you need to have these 5 sentences, and I want them in this order. Okay, it's very prescribed. If you don't get full credit just because you didn't follow these directions, you can make it up. Just read the comments in Schoology if you did not get full credit. Okay, that was yesterday. If you didn't finish that yesterday, you're dead to me. Okay, fine, you're not dead to me, but finish it today because it is due and I will be assessing that. Now, let's go back to the front page, and this is true for all the classes. This project right here we've done before, okay? I'm going to go down here to the session 4 folder, and all the assignments are in order here. And so again, when we go down here, you've already done your pitch. That should be done. We're going to take a look at that right now, make sure that's been done. You're now going to do this stuff, basically all the yellow stuff in the project tracking sheet. All right, and just a reminder, these resources are here to help you. So let's go take a look at that. So if I go over here, here's film class. 1, finish making a link to your pitch over here. A number of people still have not done that in all the classes. Please do that. Then, what limitations are you setting for yourself for your role for session 4? Then, over here, start filling this out. What role are you taking on? Who's the leader in your field? Put a link to it. You've done this before. Who or what explains who this person is and why they're awesome. Okay, remember, primary source is a really good person or a really good example. Could be a scene, a movie, could be a game, something like that. This is somebody talking about why this is awesome. This scene in this film, this game's mechanics, or whatever. This should justify that. Assume I have no idea who either one of these are, but by watching these, I will learn more about how awesome this person is, or this game, or this film, or this song, based on what this person's saying, okay? So put links to these. Again, we've done this before. It should make complete sense. Then write your SMART goal, okay? Now, you're still in the same seats from session 3. You can do this stuff solo by yourself. We're gonna double down on this on Monday next week and use this information, so get that done now. In game design, looks pretty similar. Again, finish putting your pitches over here, put the links there, put your limitations in, and start filling this stuff out, okay? And lastly, in School of Rock, the only difference for you is you can use the music machine if you want. If so, make a copy of it for yourself. Put a link to it here. It's for processing songwriting material. I just always put that there because I think it's pretty cool. If you already have one and you're using, just put the link here. It's like advanced songwriting for those who care about that. Over here again, link the pitches, what limitations you're putting on yourself. Ooh, let's make this a little bit bigger so you have more room. For session 4, for the composition thing you're going to be working on. If you're also practicing an instrument, I just want to know limitations for composition for your role. Now, if you're doing solo stuff, same deal. What are you going to put upon yourself as a limitation? Only use 3 notes. I mean, something like that, something very specific. And then, of course, same old thing here. So fill this out. All right, that is the lion's share of what needs to happen. Again, when I'm not here, look for your email. Potentially read the whiteboard in the front of the room. Always check Schoology and start and chisel away at the next assignment that's coming up. Next week, we're going to finish the pre-production section of the blog post. That's coming up next. If you're done with all this stuff, you can jump into that. We're going to do the summary, the leader and the training stuff, taking notes, that piece in the blog post on Monday and Tuesday. All right, and you will be building your Trello boards as your final. So during finals day, which is an hour and a half, your team is going to do Scrum and Trello, Fibonacci Poker with the cards, adding all the numbers to it, and getting ready for the Scrum to start, which will happen Monday after finals. So February 3rd is our first Scrum. We start stand-up meeting on Monday morning, and you go and you make your thing. Okay? So that's it. Have a great day.